What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Spider, 2T's, back with another video. So, today, I'm going to try to do these quick, simple videos, get them out to you guys. I got thousands upon thousands of views for reviews just like this. I'm going to tell you guys where I got it from, the price point, and my experience with it. Because I know a lot of you guys, y'all like to come down in my comment section and be like, yo, mine won't plug in. I don't know what cord to use. I don't know this and that. And I'm thinking, guys, when I do these reviews to you, I'm doing these reviews from my experience, my POV, and my experience with the device that I'm using. Some of these devices that I do reviews on, after I use it for a while, I'll give it to my kids, I'll give it to someone else. Like, I'm not holding on to them like you guys might be this the only thing that you have that you're using. So y'all got to keep that in mind when flying here. When I do these type of videos, I might not have an answer for you guys, because some of you guys, I feel like y'all get frustrated with me because the product I told you about don't work for you. Yeah, I think that's a manufacturer thing. It's nothing that I don't have that same experience that you might have, okay? So bear with me. Take it easy on Big Ghost. You know what I mean? Big Ghost, take it easy on me, okay? All right. So we can get right onto it. This is the zBoom. Price point, $5. There's not much when it comes to speakers like this that you're gonna experience that's $5. I'm just putting it out there like that. Straight up. You know when Big Ghost give y'all reviews, I'm straight up with my videos. You go get it or you don't get it. It's up to you. It's your choice. I know I spent $5 and this is the best $5 zBoom price point quality I've ever experienced. I'm gonna let y'all listen to. I'm gonna try to play a little music up there. Try to find some copyrighted, uncopyrighted music that I can play so you guys can experience what it sounds like before I end this video. And we're gonna try to go 8 minutes. So you see the price point, $5. It's Bluetooth. It's a lot they give you for $5. It's a pulse wave portable wireless speaker. Obviously, we can see that. On the back, it says true wireless stereo. Obviously, I don't know why they put all the extra details, but I guess to make the box look better. Deep digital bass. It don't got a whole bunch of bass. I guess it depends on what music you're listening to. FM radio. I did not know it had FM radio, because who uses FM radio? But if somebody wants to use FM radio, this has it. Wireless streaming, obviously. Specifications: Bluetooth Verizon version 5.3, Bluetooth range 32 feet. Output power 3 watts. Speaker size 3-inch. Sensitivity 80 dBs. Frequency is 80 to 80 hertz. Battery is a 5,000 milliamp battery. So I'm not sure exactly how much life you're gonna get out of this. I guess it depends on what you're listening to, how long you're listening to it, and when you're not listening to it, do you have it turned off? All those things can change. I tell y'all up front, because I haven't played with it for a very long time and played music on it. But when I have, during the duration that I did use it, it worked for that hour or two that I had it without having to recharge it. Charging time, it says 3 to 4 hours. So I'm gonna say, okay, playtime. It says 1 to 1.5 hours. I haven't used it more than an hour and a half. I'll watch it while it's on, while I'm laying in my bed. I'll have it playing just so I can hear the what I'm listening to louder. So I took this little 3-4 minutes to get you guys the understanding of the price point, what all it comes with. Now I'll tell you guys where I was able to get this from. I was able to get this at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I got this for $5 at Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree is getting kind of crazy. Ain't nothing $1.20. It used to be $1, now everything's $1.25, and now you got items in there from $5 to $10 to $15. It just depends on what you're buying. You're not gonna get everything for $1, guys. You going in a dollar store, just like the Five and Below store. I've gave you guys plenty of reviews from Five and Below, bro. You don't have to spend tons of money to get nice things. But what I will tell you, the better quality is, you may have to spend more. That doesn't mean that you have to spend top dollar in order to get good quality, but you just gotta kind of do your research and know what good quality is. If you know what good quality is, like there's a beat, I put it on one of my shorts. There's a Beats by Dre, and it's a peel. It's only about this big. I'm gonna be getting it here in the near future, and I'm gonna be keeping that because I'm gonna use that every day at work. Faithfully. That's gonna be my new peel, my new sound system. All my other speakers, I put one in my car, I put one in my daughter's car, and I keep one in the house. And everywhere I wanna go somewhere and I'm sitting, I don't want just the sound speaker, even though my iPhone 16 that I'm recording this on is super loud. Sometimes I want a speaker to even let it be louder so that I can hear it. I think I'm going deaf, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna open this up. I'll be right back with the next part of the video. It'll be me playing this. And what we'll do is we'll unbox it right now, okay? It comes with this, which is like a little mini direction. I guess for a warranty, you can send that in. It's $5. Y'all better not be sending it in for no warranty. Nothing else in the box. The actual system. I'm getting good at these reviews, baby. I'm to the point now where I know how to make 8 minutes go by real quick. It's nothing on the end. It looks like a JBL. Nothing on the end, guys. It's just for looks. Built-in handle. Okay. Bottom has the directions and the amperage and everything, so you can't say, hey, we're supposed to work along with this. Nope, all of the information is right there. And it has little, okay, there's no little rubber pads or nothing on the bottom. Then you see the back of it, power. It has a power on. And then it has a volume up and down. And then it is a C plug. And it has FM radio. How you use the FM radio, you probably have to look at the directions. But everybody's got newer radios. And if you can see it slightly, you can see the one speaker right there in the middle. Okay, I'll be back with the next part of the video. We'll spend that minute letting you hear a little bit of the music. Be right back. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna let you guys experience what it sounds like. Now, I already turned the volume up. If you do turn the volume up, you hold the button down. That lets you know that it's all the way up, and I have the volume all the way up on the device and on my phone. So I'm gonna play it, let you guys hear it for a few seconds to a minute, and that'll be the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed this video and this awesome review of this, hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I'm gonna make sure that I put this somehow in my description so that I don't get copyrighted, but somehow I'll have the name of this in the, yeah. Instead of maybe 2, I'll use a zBoom. But you guys will know when you actually see the video, it's a 2Boom, but I'll put a Z. I got my ways. Let's hear it.
My time to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm.
Okay.
No longer wishing.
Now it says this music is no copyright music, pop, but I'm not gonna play it too long just in case. I'll play another song.
Let's speak.
Okay. See Big Ghost move? This is one on YouTube. You do know that, right? All right, guys. I think I did everything I needed to do to win you guys over. If you want to go get one of these, if you don't, that's still up to you. It's $5. It's at Dollar Tree. I don't think there's nothing else for us to talk about. You guys make sure you hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I love you guys. God bless y'all. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whoever should believe in him should not perish but have everlasting life. I'm going to be bringing you guys some spiritual words on my channel soon. I'm going to be talking about God. I'm going to be sharing a word with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys. God bless you. Big Ghost, and I'm out.